It's gonna sound like that, but please sana makita niyo yung heart ko na not my intention. I really, really do want to be of help to you because I know how it feels to not feel beautiful. So, we have an app. If you want to tell them, yung SE na app.
Yeah.
It's a wellness app, okay, that BioEssence is a part of or created. We created. In that app, ito yung sinasabi ko, simulan mo muna sa libre. Kasi ako, nung nagsimula ako ng self-love, ginagawa ko muna is I would Google articles na, kunyari, cheap things to buy for my skin. Yung mga ganon, natural products in the kitchen. Kasi yun yung meron ka eh. Hindi naman kasi lahat afford. Come on, let's be honest. Hindi talaga lahat afford na makabili ng mga skincare na dapat sa sarili niya. I got to experience going to beauty centers when it's not called beauty centers. Pero, Watsons, tapos kung ano yung buy one take one, yun na lang. But now kasi, we have the app. What is the app? What do they type?
SE. So it's BioEssence SE. So dun sa app na yun, just like what I discussed, other than those features na effortless booking, you can buy the products, you can schedule your treatments, great access, you have real-time access to the clinic schedule, but yes, there is a media page. So that media page is where things is happening Jen would perfectly fit. Other than the experiences of our customers, there is a part there, but a soft part channel page where you can learn a lot about various different things. Right now, we just launched the app, so in the coming months, we're going to continuously create content there. Just like sinasabi niya, maybe in the kitchen, ano yung mga pwede mo magamit, or yung mga available na sa bahay, so that, we can help also other people be able to take care of themselves for free.
Yes.
Anong bayad yun?
Tsaka kasi, minsan, it's overwhelming also. That's why I'm pushing for them to download the app. Kasi, when you Google, minsan, it's not a good source. Kapag hindi ka sure kung sino yung gumawa, at least with the app, you know that, okay, so an esthetician made this article, so an esthetician is a professional who is a skincare specialist. So at least, alam nila yung sinasabi nila. And then, one of the things I thought about BioEssence also is how yung price range niya very wide. So, gusto ko, whether student ka, may problem ka with acne, I don't want you to feel intimidated that you need a certain type of amount in order to improve your skin. Your skin. That's not the thing. Kahit anong skincare concern mo, punta ka muna sa BioEssence, consult ka muna, sabihin mo yung budget range mo, kasi they can accommodate you. Kaya lalo na yung mga moms, whether you're single or not, you deserve to be beautiful. Parang I am all for it. Hindi na to about being single. Hindi siya yung parang, important, gusto ko yung pinagin ko yung sarili ko, salamin ng buhay ko. Hindi na yun. When you like what you see in the mirror, everything else follows. You get to speak with other people eye to eye. You don't get shy. You can smile. You don't get conscious na, oh my gosh, may acne ako dito sa right. And in the event that you get those kind of things, which are very normal, magiging confident ka na eh. Minsan sa pagdadala lang din yan, and kailangan mo lang talagang unang papaniwalain, hindi yung ibang tao, hindi yung sarili mo. So, open na welcome kayo. We have many branches. We have, I think,
34 branches.
34 branches.
We're building more, for sure, especially next year.